Ahoy, students! Hope you all are doing great. And this is your master teacher, Amit. Today, I have brought new magical tricks for you. And this tricks will work wonders for you. And this trick will be working in your fractions. And the school doesn't tell about this. So let's see how these magical tricks, how this easy tricks will help you to get the solutions very fast. So let's go and see the first one. So the question is find the greatest and smallest fraction. So when you get such question कि हमें fractions दिए हुए हैं and it is being asked find the greatest and the smallest fraction. Now the authentic ways which is being taught in our schools, they tell us to take out the LCM, then we have to make it equivalent, then we have to just multiply and then we have to find it. But here I will give you a trick that will work very soon and very easily. You can find it out which one will be the greatest and which one will be the smallest. So let's see that. So here we will be using the difference. The difference, if we are understood how to find out the difference, the question is done. We'll use the difference. So what we have to do is, we have to find the difference between the numerator and denominator. Okay, before to that, first, let me tell you about that you must be knowing about proper and improper fraction. That is very important thing. And I shouldn't miss anything, right? So improper and proper. Now, proper fraction means your numerator is smaller than your denominator. And improper, your numerator is being greater than denominator. So once we have to give a look on it, that is all the fractions being given to us is all being the proper or improper. Okay, that is one of the thing which we have to keep in our mind. So let's say if we see here 17 by 18, 13 by 14, 7 by 8, 19 by 20, 14 by 15, all are proper. And the difference what we find 17, 18, 1, 13, 14, 1, 7, 8, 1, 19, 21, 14 by 15, 1. So when we get the difference, here as 1, so the number which is having the number with highest numerator becomes greatest number. So we can simply say here 19 by 20 is the greatest. Now, obvious, to find the smallest, we have to find the numerator. The number with lowest numerator becomes smallest number. Okay, so it becomes 7 by 8. So see how it is easy. Only we have to find out the difference of the numerator and denominator. And if we get the difference being same like 1, it's being 1 as a difference in all the fractions. So what we have to do is only look for the highest numerator. Let's look into another case. What if we have improper fractions? Then which one will be the greatest and which one will be the smallest? So just what we'll do, the reverse of it, what we have done. जो हमने किया उसका just opposite करेंगे. So again, the common difference 18, 17, the difference is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So the only the thing is now 8. If we just look here, the highest number, okay. So the highest denominator is highest numerator is 37. So 37 by 36 becomes smallest number. And 13 by 12 becomes the greatest fraction. This becomes the greatest fraction and this becomes the smallest fraction. See, for understanding greatest and smallest fraction of time is taking only, right? We are able to find it within seconds. There is no tension of doing LCM now. Okay, so let's see the third case. Now, what if we have some other sort of fraction? We have the first one as proper. Then we have here as a mixed fraction. Now, mixed fraction, we can convert it into improper, right? So 1 by 2, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, it becomes 3 by 2. Then it's 5 by 4, then 2 by 3, and again 4 ones are 4 and 1, 5 by 4. Now we have here the mix of proper and improper. So how we'll find the greatest and smallest? Now, first of all, as we all know, the proper fractions and improper fraction when we know that proper fractions being smaller because it's 1 upon, or we can say the numerator is being smaller, than denominator in proper fraction. So let's see 1 by 2 and okay 5 by 4 we have written here 2 times. Okay, let's cancel 1 5 by 4. Okay, so 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Now the difference is 1. So the smaller number, smaller numerator will be the smaller. So 1 by 2. Then we'll write 2 by 3. Okay. So when we are comparing 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, the smaller numerator is 1. So we write 1 by 2 first. Okay. Then 2 by 3. So 1 by 2 becomes the smallest. Now talking about the largest or the greatest. So we have 3 by 2 and 5 by 4. We have 3 by 2 and 5 by 4. Now we know that the numerator in which the numerator is smaller, than the denominator, that becomes the greatest number. So here it would be 5 by 4 and then we'll write 3 by 2. Also this question can be asked in a form of that arrange them in an ascending order. So in this case we will get 3 by 2 being the greatest number and 1 by 2 being the smallest number. Okay, students. Now let's go to another case. Okay. Now suppose, as I told you, that suppose you are being told to arrange the fractions in ascending order. But here I am giving you another case. Look here very carefully. ध्यान से देखो. 11 and 7. Now we have a difference of 4. 19 and 14. We have a difference of 5. Now we have a difference of 3. Now we have a difference of 4. But again, this is a proper fraction. So it becomes the smallest one. So no tension about this. Now what about the other 3? Right? We have 4, we have 5, we have 3. So in that case, what we will do here, simply keep the 4, 5 and 3. That's the common difference. See, it's very easy. Okay? Because when we are doing the LCM method, it takes time. But in a competitive exam, we have to solve it in a quick time. As I'm explaining, it is taking time. Otherwise, we can do it very fast. So what we have taken is the difference. Difference le liya 4, 5, 3. Now put a bar on them and put all the numerators over there. 11, 19 and a 30. Okay. Now take the LCM. Easy. It's better to take the LCM of 4, 5, 3. It's easier to take. So 5 4s are 20 into 3. We can take 60. So let's take 60 here. So 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 3, 20s are. So we can multiply here. 15 1s are 15, carry 1. 15 1s are 15, 1, 165. This one becomes 12 9s are 108. 12 1s are 12 and 1 0 more we have to add. So 12 and a 10. That means 22. And this becomes 260. So which one becomes the greatest here? 260. So that is 13 by 3, which we have taken here. 13 by 10. This becomes the highest. Then we can write here 11 by 7 and 19 by 40. This is how it gets arranged. So this becomes the ascending order of this number. So I am giving you a task. Okay, you will tell on the comment box which one will be the greatest and smallest, as well as arrange them in ascending order. So I hope you learned the way I told
Yeah,
today.
students. So there is a fantastic news for you all. So OMM level 3 course is still running and you will be getting 30 live sessions here, 24/7 replays available, and the classes will be held on Monday and Tuesday 5 to 6 p.m. Along with that, in this course you will be getting your test series of 7 tests comprising of 5 part syllabus and 2 full syllabus. And the test would be held only on Sundays. So, students, hurry up. If you are going to enroll this with my coupon code, you'll be also getting a discount of 10%. So, see you in the class. Till then, bye bye.